Come on in. Here it is. The triple threat set. We call this place Club 3 because it's triple threat. This is Steven, the bartender. Steven is an actual real bartender, amongst other things in his outside life. And Steven not only makes drinks all night long, but he also is in charge of the money. We like that. He's got that big bag of money behind the bar. He makes sure that the dishes come up for judging back and forth. He's a very important part of what happens here every single night. And then we have the set. This is a little behind the scenes information. This is the secret door. You can see it opens up here. And this is where, I asked for the password. Today's password is, can't tell you. And then, this is the lounge. Nice sofa, nice chairs, cool carpeting. This is where the Titans hang out when they're not cooking. And then, of course, we have the kitchen. And then they have their pantry and all their equipment, etc. It's a real working kitchen. I'll take you back here. There's nothing fake about any of this. This is all real, pots and pans. You can see it back here. Fryer later, stove, oven, the marketplace for all the fruits and vegetables, etc. And here we have all kinds of cheeses, creme fraiche, Greek yogurt, milk, buttermilk, heavy cream, some greens, etc. Some more equipment. This is a deep freeze. This will cool down anything very, very quickly. We have, this is sort of the dry goods pantry, all the dried spices that you can imagine. Then, some cured meats, prosciutto, guanciale, all kinds of olives, different kinds of stock, chicken stock, veal stock, beef stock. We have chickens, we have beautiful scallops, red snapper, all kinds of things to cook with. And then, of course, things like oils and vinegars, nuts, coconut milk, etc., different sort of ethnic spices and condiments. And then, plates, a salamander, which is basically a big broiler. And there we go. That's the set of Triple Threat. A lot of people think it's a real place. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't.